Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Car Reviews. Today we're driving a 2010 Volvo S80 V8 on the channel. Let's fire it up. Starts up so nice. Now primarily today's test drive is going to be a quiet drive, but I gotta say this is such a phenomenal clean S80. Let's go check it out. These are super hard to find, and a lot of them are unfortunately clapped out, but this one seems to be in pristine shape. I believe this is only a 1 or 2 owner vehicle, and as you can see, it's been kept up really nicely. Everything is soft to touch. Every little detail is so high quality here. The leather has kept up beautifully over the years. Hopping in the back. I am 6'2", and it's very comfortable. Great back seats. Cup holders come out just like they should. No way. Got heated rear seats. And the doors here are very solid and heavy in a good way. Lots of space. The Yamaha 4.4 V8. This was also used in the XC90 V8 as well. Look at how clean everything here is. Got the blind spot system, memory seats, lumbar adjustment, and a wooden steering wheel. Feels super luxurious. We got lane assist, distance warning, blind spot, parking sensors, heated and ventilated seats. You can feel them work. I love this layout. This is so classy. Enter, we can enter the navigation system, 2 messages, and you can also go through the speedometer like that too. Look at that. This is so classy. Plenty of storage. We even have a USB port and AUX port. 12 volt right here. This closes. This also has adaptive cruise control right here, and a distance warning light right there. Oh. All right, let's get going. Just listen to this engine sing. really gets up and goes, let me tell you that. It can move. It's quick. There's so much torque here too. I love it. And the nice thing here is you don't even have to apply much throttle or many RPMs. It just has so much torque. Oh yeah. This is just amazing. That's all I can say. Whoever set up this exhaust knew what they were doing. This is perfect. Wow, really strong brakes too. I'm impressed. Actually slows down super well. Wow. You know, I gotta say, Volvo made some super cool cars back in the day. I don't know what happened, what went wrong, where. I mean, I can kind of guess, but I mean, they were pumping out phenomenal machines. 15 years, 16 years later, you look at this car and you're like, it's not any, you know, it's not any older than, you know, like a modern car beside a couple of screens. You know, drives like a luxury European yacht. It handles, it has good brakes. But the sound, a V8 in a sedan of this segment, that's awesome. And it's a very raw, good sounding V8. It's responsive, it's torquey, it's smooth. And you know, if you go back to these days, you know, 2007, 2010, and I've driven a lot of different S80s. So I've driven the 5-cylinder ones from the older generation. I've driven the T5 version of this with the 2.0T. I've driven the T6, which is also very, very nice. And I would say they are quite comparable in terms of performance, but personally, I would definitely prefer this. I mean, this is just such a good sounding vehicle. That noise you get from it is unmatched. And the previous owner of this car, whoever customized the exhaust, knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. So whoever owned it knew how to make this car sound good. It's not droney with this current setup, but you get to hear that richness in the note of the exhaust. And seriously, like, I love it. The layout is actually pretty easy to see. You can see the map very clearly, easy to see, even though it's a little bit at an angle. But you know, these front seats are very comfortable, and even with ventilation for this age, like this car could absolutely compete with the top runners of that era. If we're talking like a 5 Series, an E-Class, a 6, this was absolutely right there with them in terms of, you know, the quality, the driving dynamics. The only thing that I would say is if, for example, you're looking at a 5 Series, like an E60, the E60 is more athletic. It's more nimble in terms of the handling. It's more tight. But this is just such a great balance of everything. Just the comfort, the performance, the sound. I have to see what these cars ran for back in the day price-wise. I know they weren't cheap, but you know what? Absolutely justified. Absolutely justified. But this summarizes today's test drive. I hope you all enjoyed it and had some fun with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And until next time.